ViewSonic training video, I'm going to show you the main user interface on my digital whiteboard on your panel. So first, in the top left corner up here, you will see it says Manning DLC, and that is my my ViewBoard session name, which I have set on my ViewBoard Online settings on my browser. Yours may have your email address. Up here in the top right corner, the first icon you see is third-party accounts. So when I click on that, I have a Google Drive icon, and that just means that my Google Drive is synced to the panel. You also have your notifications icon, your settings icon here as well, where you can change just various settings within your whiteboard. What you see right here is the floating toolbar, and you can actually take this, these arrows and move this floating toolbar around if you would like to do that. What you see here is your main toolbar, and then down here in the bottom right corner is how you will sign into the panel. Down in the bottom left corner here, you have your backgrounds. When you click on that, you have various background options here. So these are just an overview of the interface of my whiteboard on the panel. Thank you so much for watching.